Okay. Team A, what is the name of your song? Very good, show me. That's perfect. Good. Team B, what's the name of your song? Very good. Sell out, Shabash. Very good. Show me. Zabardast. Team C, what is the name of your song which you meant?
So come on, everybody,
very good.
sing along. I will not hurt anyone on the inside. I will not hurt anyone on the outside. I will respect you and me. It's our responsibility. 'Cause we're a part of this community. Everybody knows why we are making healthy choices. Everybody knows what it means to say I care. Everybody knows where we belong. Here at school singing this song. So come on everybody, sing along. I will not hurt anyone on the inside.
After doing so many steps, now this is the final step. It is ready to pour it in this clean pot. Understood? बस लेकिन मेरा process में बस दाना से last number step के last number बदी बुक की वाचो और free do. जब सात कपार free do. चिदे वच्ची. खबर पहुँच गयो? Okay. Now it's team A. It's for team B. Team C. For team. That was more than 30 minutes apart, huh? Okay, now say shabash. Very good, Zabardast. Now it is ready for you to wash your hand on it. Shabash.
Means to be a friend. Everybody knows where we belong. Here at school singing this song. So come on everybody, sing along. I will not hurt anyone